This video is going to take you through annotating and creating events in PDF files that you have brought into Advocate's evidence screen. The Annotate function lets you highlight keywords and phrases when you are reading through PDF documents, and you can add sticky notes, handwritten notes, or underline sections and do everything you would normally do when annotating a document. What sets Advocate apart from other software is that you can create event logs which can be used in timelines, and they can also be used to form the basis of documents such as a brief to counsel. Let's select a PDF file in the evidence screen. Now at this stage you might be sat there saying, actually I have a Word file I want to annotate. Well, if you select a Word document, Advocate can automatically convert it to a PDF file for annotation. And if you are concerned about making notes that may not be relevant later, just copy the document first and then do what you like as you work on the first pass. Okay, so we are going to click on the Annotate PDF button on the menu bar to open the document in annotation mode. The PDF opens with the annotation wheel on the left of your screen. Clicking on the wheel shows the tools available for annotating. Let's start with this tool for highlighting some text. The highlighting option has a submenu which lets you select from a few different styles, such as a block selection of text or underlining with a straight or squiggly line. With each option like this, you can choose the colour and the opacity of the line being drawn, which can be really useful for drawing a distinction between one set of annotations and another. When you have your chosen method of highlighting, just click at the start of a passage of text and move through the text to the end. There we go, pretty painless stuff. The Insert option lets you add sticky notes, call-out boxes and simple text boxes into which you can put your own information at a specific location on the page. Let's add a call-out box here, and then we can type a note to ourselves that this section is really important, or indeed whatever you want to say. But what makes Advocate different from other PDF annotation tools is the facility to automatically create an event in the Advocate events log when you highlight a word or phrase. This creates a link in the event screen that takes you to the precise location in the document that you have annotated. Events created from annotations can go on to form a brief to counsel, a timeline, or any other document that collates important information. The benefit of this is that it's a lot more useful than using a highlighter pen on paper, followed by writing down a separate list of references in a notebook for future reference, especially as the process of doing this automatically triggers the linking of the event to the precise place in the document where you found it. If we jump briefly to the case log event screen, you will see my event already in the list of things I have highlighted as important, and a link. Clicking on this link takes you straight there, right to the correct document and paragraph in a split second. So there we go, how quick was that? No scrolling or using the search function, one click and there is the original text that was used to create the event. So this shows Advocate enabling you to build a first view of your case quickly and simply by doing nothing more than the work you would do anyway. It isn't asking for extra work or a particularly new way of working, because it will follow your flow and build its own added value based solely on the things you would be doing in any event. The final thing to say is that if you made a mistake or there is an annotation made that you don't want anymore, it can be removed by clicking on the eraser and then onto the note or the annotation. Thank you for watching this video on annotating PDF documents in Advocate. You can see more videos by subscribing to the Advocate channel or by visiting the website ilawadvocate.co.uk.